Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to try a product out that I didn't know existed, although I should know. There's so many products from Miss Jessie for curls. It's kind of insane. And I thought I reviewed all of them, but I was in CVS the other day and I saw this Feather Soft curls and I'm like, I never tried that one. And I'm excited to give it a try. I didn't read any of the front yet when I bought it. I just bought it because I saw Feather Soft curls and Miss Jessie, and I love Miss Jessie products, so let me read what's on the front. Oh, avocado oil and wheat germ oil. The best darn Feather Soft styler, period. Excellent for this and more. Wash and go styling, featherweight curls, leave-in conditioner, non-sticky applications for people who seriously do not want hard definition but instead want feather soft curls. That's me. The name says it all. Feather Soft curls. A uniquely light hair potion that was created to provide soft, weightless, feathery and touchable curls. Lotion is perfect for achieving softly defined hair. Can I say that? Petroleum. All of that was on here. It was like a book on the front of this. It's crazy. Oh my god, and there's more on the back. Instructions, evenly distributed. Okay, I know how to do that part. I actually like reading the front of the Miss Jessie packages. It just, I don't know why. Because they're just like, they talk right to you. Perfect consistency, not too runny, not too thick. I finally figured out how to style my new haircut. It's a little different. So if you guys have seen my previous videos, my recent videos I should say, it's a little different than what I'm used to doing, and it took me a bit to figure out what I like best and the way it should be that I have to style it. God, it makes such a oh, this feels really good, by the way. As I'm talking, it's a very light smell, which I'm honestly happy about. It is a little on the powdery side of the smell, but not in a bad way at all. I know there are some Miss Jessies that really smell powdery, and I don't know if, I think some of you guys said it's a bit strong. This is not. This is pretty like that, but not nearly as strong as some of the other products. So it's nice. It's very light. And my god, it really does feel so good putting it in my hair. Like smooth and silky feeling. I'll put a little more for the ends. I could tell this is not going to be crunchy at all. But the question always is it strong enough for my coarse hair? Product is in. I am going to dry my hair. Let's see how this came out. And we're going to do the usual all-day review. So here we go. It looks so good. I love the way it came out. It is so soft. It looks great. Very defined. And it really did dry really quick. I gotta tell you, I think I'm gonna have to do a video on all these, my favorite products lately, because like I said, I haven't been doing the quarterly reviews. I didn't even do my favorite products of 2020 because I feel like 2020 was a little off of a year. But I didn't do that many hair videos, but I love this. And I like a lot of other products I've been trying, but this is really good. Adding it to my Miss Jessie's collection, which they're all pretty much almost empty. Like I have this much in all of them because it's one of those like that I gotta stop doing. Let me just save a little in case, you know, just gotta use them and go through it. And this is definitely, and I love the color of the package. But yes, love it. Wow, really love it. I'm excited to do another video of all my favorite products. I'm going to give it a couple more months though, because maybe I'll find some other new ones. Maybe I'll do not quarterly, but like every now and then. I don't know, half a year in. So come hang out with me. I don't think that this is going to fall out and look bad. I really don't. But we're going to do the usual because that's what a full review is all about. It's the afternoon, but it's early afternoon, so we have all day and all night. And let's see how well this goes. see you in a bit. It's way too soon to check in on the hair. I literally just finished, but I just want to show you. I just turned all the lights off, whatever. Not all the lights, but whatever. And I'm wondering why at the end of filming just now, I was like, ugh, I feel like nauseous almost. Are any of you like me? I cannot stand like food flavored candles. It literally makes me ill. But that was the last I need more candles. I go through candles so quickly. They burn out so quickly. I give up. Anyway, if you guys know some cheap candles that are good, let me know. So, yeah, hair, of course, is looking good. I'm gonna go about my day. Got a lot to do. Oh, guys, I got a new laptop. First, we say hello, Wilma. Hello, baby. I'm so excited that I have a laptop now because now I can work around the house. This is one of my favorites. However, it's empty. Right over there, I'm going to do my updated skincare video. I'm so excited. Yes, I have been using some new skincare products that I've been really liking a lot. And I want to show them to you. I don't want to show them if I'm just trying them for a little, so it takes a while for me to try them and see if I like them. And I think that, I'll tell you during that video more about it because I have we'll talk more about skincare. I want that to be my next video, so that's probably going to be the next video. Okay, I'm hungry, so I'm going to go eat something, and then I'm going to do some work. Okay guys, it's after dinner, it's pajama time, and the hair is still looking good, and I'm going to tell you something. I took a nap. I took a big nap. I slept on my hair. I usually don't take naps, but I did. I was tired. My hair looks short, right? But it still looks good. Look at that. So I think it's safe to say it's a good product. And I am curious to see how it comes out tomorrow. Hey guys, quickly showing you how this looked the next day. Not bad, right? Okay, that's it. Back to the other video. But this is the second morning. Just want to stick this in here. Because guys, I am not joking with you. That Mixed Chick Hair for Days line, if I know that I don't want to wash my hair for a couple of days, literally I wake up like this. And I didn't do that this morning, I can tell you that. And I did not use that in product. Curls are still defined. Not as curly, though, as with the Mixed Chicks, but definitely defined my curls. Okay. Hey! She can't get it. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! Oh, okay. Hi. Sorry, I'm just staring at her because she's just so cute. Hey, that's my stuff. She just ate dinner. Did Daddy give you something you weren't supposed to? You seem a little too happy. Maybe she pooped. Sometimes when we poop, we feel better, right? I love you. Okay, guys, I'm going to go, and I will see you in the next video. Sorry it wasn't that long. I slept. It's my own fault. Okay, guys, I'll see you